Agora vamos todo mundo pra dentro, que o pai vai trabalhar. Vamos, pra dentro, todo mundo. Todo mundo pra dentro. Vamos, 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 vamos. Vai, vai, vai. Vamos, vamos pra dentro. Todo mundo, vai. Você também, vai, 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 vai. Vamos, 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 vamos. I have to do this because I need to move the car. And they want to see my neighbor's dog. And they are not complying very well in the new place yet. But they enter the bathroom. I take the car out, close the gate, come on in, release them, and that is it. They are getting used to it. They're already in there, you know. Look at this. I love them. Vai, pra dentro agora. Vamos, vamos. Vai, filha. Já volto. I just turn the lights on. Let's go take the cars out. In the first day that I did that, they started crying out loud because I think they thought that I was going to leave them out there, you know. I was so heartbroken. I had to come to my house here to see them 3 times a day because I was not feeling sure if they were okay, you know. But they are. They're loving the place. Nature is the best. God is the best. Gonna work. Has to do a lot of money. Probably I won't make it by my hands. It will come by other way. But I will apply myself either way.